Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to look at verbs again. So just to remind you that verbs are doing words. But the story that we're doing in your Clever Comprehension this week asks for verbs that you need to fill into the answers, but they are verbs in the past tense. That means you have already done them. So you're not doing them today or tomorrow, you are doing them yesterday. So in English, the verb changes when we talk about it on a different day. So it will be different for yesterday, and it will be different for us doing it now, and it will be different for us doing it tomorrow. So today we are speaking about verbs that we do now. These are the ones on the board, and then I'm going to show you how we say them when we have already done them, so that we did them already, we did them yesterday. So the first one is buy. So I buy sweets from the tuck shop. That I'm doing it now. So I buy sweets from the tuck shop. I can buy, so that's your verb, your doing word. But if I say yesterday, I buyed. No, we don't say buyed. We say I bought. So that word changes into bought, that verb. Yesterday I bought sweets. Today I buy sweets. Then live. I live in a house. Yesterday or last week, I lived in a house. So that word just gets a d on the end to show that it's already happened. So buy becomes bought, live becomes lived. Then catch. With Coach Fernando in PT, I catch a ball today. Yesterday, I caught. So this is like buy and bought, catch and caught. Right, and these are all things that you can do. You can buy, you can live, you can catch. And yesterday, you could do these things. Bought, lived, caught. Okay. The next one. Today I walk to school. I know Jelly walks to school in the mornings. She's been coming to school. And then she walks home in the afternoon. But yesterday I walked. And then smile. I can smile today. Yesterday, I smiled at my friend. So smiled. So they're going to mention these kinds of words in the poem, and then you're going to have to fill it in as verbs in the little sentences, but I just wanted to show you that they are verbs and they mean the same. It's just that they happen at different times. So the blue ones happen today, that you do these things, doing words or verbs, and the red ones happened yesterday. You've already done this. So these are doing words or verbs from yesterday. And we can add another one. Today I teach you about verbs. And yesterday, I'm going to just fill it in here, taught. So that's like buy and catch. I buy, I bought, I catch, I caught, I teach, I taught. So we don't say, yesterday I buyed a new toy, like lived or walked or smiled. We do a new one, buyed. We don't say that. We say bought. And it's the same as I bring my lunch to school. Yesterday I brought. And a lot of you say this incorrectly. You say I brang it. So bring, you change to brang. That's not correct. It's like buy and catch and teach. It's bought, brought, taught, caught. Bring becomes brought and not brang. So you don't say I brang my lunch or I bringed my lunch. I brought my lunch. And not I buyed from the tuck shop, I bought. So remember those two, because a lot of you say those incorrectly, bought and brought. Okay, that one's just got a r in there. So these are doing words or verbs that we have already done. We did them yesterday or last week or long ago. We didn't do them today. The today ones are the blue ones. Right, let's see if you can get those verbs correct in your comprehension book.